Hello students, today we will study about nitrogen cycle in science class at chapter number 2nd, microorganism, friends and foe. In this chapter we will discuss on nitrogen cycle. Dear student, our atmosphere has 78% nitrogen gas. Nitrogen is one of the essential compounds of all living organisms as part of protein, chlorophyll, nucleic acid and vitamins. The atmosphere nitrogen cannot be taken directly by plant and animals. Certain bacteria and blue-green algae present in the soil fix nitrogen from the atmosphere and convert it into compounds of nitrogen. Once nitrogen is converted into these usable compounds, protein, chlorophyll, nucleic acid and vitamins, it can be utilized by plant from the soil through their root system. But how is nitrogen gas changed into nitrates? We understand the nitrogen cycle. First of all, deadly bacteria. These bacteria break down dead remains and animal waste, releasing ammonium compounds into the soil. This process is ammonification. Ammonification. Secondly, nitrifying bacteria. Nitrifying bacteria. These bacteria in the soil can be changed ammonia into nitrates. It is present in animal waste and dead animals and dead remains. This process is called nitrification. This process is called nitrification. Third, nitrogen fixing bacteria. Nitrogen fixing bacteria. These bacteria are found in the soil. They convert nitrogen from the air into nitrates. They convert nitrogen from the air in the nitrates. Plant take up the nitrates with their roots. For example, Azotobacter bacteria. And nitrogen fixing bacteria are also found in roots of leguminous plants like pea, beans, and clover. In these plants, these bacteria make lumps on the roots called nodules. Their plant's root and this structure are called nodules. For example, rhizobium. Rhizobium. They can change nitrogen into nitrate that the leguminous plants can use. And fourth step of nitrogen fixing, lightning. Lightning. During lightning, due to high temperature, the atmosphere nitrogen react with oxygen and form nitrous oxide, nitric oxide, and nitrogen peroxide. These compounds dissolve in rainwater to form dilute nitric acid. When it reaches the earth's surface, they react with the alkalis and form nitrate. Plant easily absorb nitrates. Dear student, thus nitrogen in the atmosphere remains stable. This is a nitrogen cycle. This chapter ends here with this topic. Thanks.